You are one of a kind, man on a mission. You are so divine, dressed in the vision. You're a hero, a soldier with so much credentials. Oh, you are royalty.
38 years of consistency in the house of God, 38 years of faithfulness, 38 years of serving the Lord, 38 years of a minister, 38 years of a tool as an implement in the house of God. Congratulations, Bishop Dr. Kiganda, alongside with your dear wife, Pastor Cindy. I'd like to say you've been wonderful set of ministers, hosting men of God across the globe, doing fantastic in the land of Uganda, particularly Kampala. I have come to your ministry a couple of times. I've seen what God is using you to do. And on this epoch-making occasion where the ministry is 38 years, I'd like to say congratulations.
To the nations, we're celebrating a legendary father, celebrating a man sent from God. No doubt about it, you are God's own general. You're an inspiration, teacher to the nation.